You've heard of mail order brides. Well, this is a mail order friend, sort of. This little guy uses your smartphone, an Android in my case, but it supports iPhones or Androids. It uses your smartphone attached to a robotic body to move around and interact with you. The website says it can chat with you and interact with the environment, like it shows it shoving an orange around. Sounds very interesting and neat, so I backed this on Kickstarter in February of this year, 2024. I finally got the package today, but the Android companion app is still not ready. So to see how it potentially looked, this is simply a GIF playing on my phone that I made from their promo videos. For now, this is all I can do, but at least they've delivered. On to the unboxing. This is the unboxing of the LOOi robot. The box is about 5.5, 5 3/4 inch cubed. Inside, we have a mock-up of how this would look like. The packaging seems damaged though. I know this is a Kickstarter project, but somebody could have been more careful with the packaging, or at least replace some of the packaging that they've damaged. It's not really a good look. The device itself has a little bit of weight to it. I put it on my scale. It came out to be slightly under 14 ounces. Here's the tank tread pattern. I wonder if it'll work on carpet, so I can leave it on the floor if I don't want it on my desk. The mock-up of the head seems like there's a magnetic attachment. It's probably the magnetic docking ring that comes with the package. There's a USB-C charge port in the back. Here's the motorized connector. The back here looks like it has electronical connectors. They might have a self-docking port. That would be nice if it can self-charge, but I don't see any information on their website about this. These are probably the obstacle sensors, cliff sensors, and this is the front LED headlights and status bars. Let's look inside the mock-up head. Get a welcome card. It says his name is LOOi or LOOi. Says he's going to stay around the planet for a while and he's here to hang out with me. We have some cleaning cloths to prepare your surface. I guess it's to stick on the magnetic ring. That goes on there just like that. It feels pretty strong. Now here's the instruction manual. Comes in 2 languages. Here's a diagram of what everything is around the robot. This one shows the LED lights and what they mean. It says it can work for 5 hours continuously and a 6,000 milliamp hour battery. Wireless output is 10 watts max. Here's your links to the app, which doesn't work for Android at the moment, and some instructions on how to pair it up. Lastly, it has some examples of what we can do with this robot companion. It says it has cutting-edge AI, natural language model, uses the phone's camera to explore, and it says it's like a bionic pet. You can also use this, like I said, as a wireless charging device. Supposedly there's games in development. It says motion sensing minigame. So we'll see. Still waiting for the app.